Why did the Mexican throw his wife off the cliff? Tequila. G'day everyone and welcome to another episode of Cook More, the show that wants you to do just that. Today we are going to be making something that is versatile, delicious, easy and Mexicano. Guac. But it's not like a tradish guac. This is my own little guac recipe and a lot of people have been asking for it, so here it is. It's my guac. You've just got here 2 avocados. To that I'm going to add a little half of a tiny onion. I'm going to make it a nice fine dice. The way that you do that is you take your knife and you're going to make scores all the way down it. Being nice and safe, don't chop your hands. Now you're going to slice down the middle of your onion. It would be better if I had a sharper knife. And then we're going to, just really close to your fingertippies, a perfect fine dice. It's so simple to dice an onion. You've never diced an onion this easily. Boom. Whack! I'm gonna take just a little bit of coriander. Whoa there, horsey. If you don't like coriander, that's fine. Don't put it in there. Once you eat coriander in this, you're going to just flip your entire lid of happiness. You're going to enjoy it so much that you're going to wish you never said you hated coriander. Then here I've got just about a teaspoon of cumin. I got a little bit of freshly chopped fresh chili. Bang, boom, bop. Drop in that flaky salt, cracked pepper, and then we're going to take a half a lime and just hello, lime, done. We're just going to get a fork and mash this guy down. You just did the best thing in your life and it took you 2 minutes. Guaranteed. Maybe a little bit longer. Not guaranteed. Look at this. Let's get yourself a corn chip and wow. It's just so good. It's healthy, it's delicious. Good fats, bit of spice, bit of squeeze. Yum. Put it in a sandwich. Put it on your nachos. Put it on your ice cream. Guys, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. And as always,
Stop.
Get back into your kitchen. You have some, and cook more.